My second role in this forum is actually to introduce the New South Wales Minister for Science and Innovation, the Honourable Alister Henskens. Alister is new in the role, but it has been fantastic having Alister in the science and innovation role. He's taken such a keen interest in everything to do with science, technology, the ways that these get used, the community, the skills, and everything else that's involved. I often relate to people that I think our first week was going around all the universities, really trying to understand where excellence exists and where excellence should be supported, and how we can genuinely in this state drive science and technology outcomes. So it's wonderful that he's at this event opening it. He, like a lot of the community, really appreciate how important circular economy is to our community and to our state, but at the same time is keen that we make something of it in terms of science and innovation and skills at the same time. So it's great having Alister as a minister, and over to you, Alister, for your words.
Thank you very much, Hugh, and it's great to be here opening the Australian Circular Economy Forum. Hugh, it is great that it's called the Australian Forum. I think it's a little bit like the Americans who claim to have the World Series when it's just America, but I think it's important in this area that we are truly aspirational because it really is such an important issue for our future. Research and innovation, of course, is a major driver of new businesses, high value jobs and international investment, as well as positive environmental and social outcomes. And it's really crucial for our recovery as a community and a society, for health and economic impacts of COVID-19, that we really embrace the opportunity that innovation and technology provides to us. As the Chief Scientist and Engineer said, I've had the privilege since my appointment to visit many of our leading scientists around New South Wales, and it's been incredibly eye-opening, really to see the breadth and depth of work being undertaken here in our state, and the great partnerships between our universities, within our universities, and between our universities and industry and government to really maximise the real-world impact of our research. The transition to a circular economy has the potential to deliver a $1.9 billion economic boost to Australia over the next 20 years through generating hundreds of thousands of new full-time jobs, building new industries, products and services, and helping us to grow and thrive while improving our use of resources into the future. The circular economy refers, as you know, to a model of production and consumption which aims to eliminate waste by keeping products and materials in use through innovative methods and really utilising the embedded resources, energy and production that has gone into the original product. It's an important transition that is already well underway, as the Chief Scientist said, in many countries and regions around the world, including Canada, the EU, Japan and Asia. Globally, the transition to a circular economy will help reduce our consumption of virgin resources as the world population grows to its projected peak of between 9 and 10 billion people by 2050. With an active and integrated circular economy, New South Wales is unlikely to reach its target of net zero emissions by 2050. So it's incredibly important that we have this active, integrated circular economy to get our environmental policies where we need them to be. Half of the emissions we need to cut in order to get to net zero are embedded in the way we use, manage and dispose of food and other products. We can cut down on not only waste but emissions too through careful system design that will encourage gradual decoupling of economic activity from the consumption of finite resources and more value being extracted from resources as they are kept in circulation for longer. Increasing waste volumes and plateauing resource recovery rates are significant challenges for our state. For example, 35% of all waste generated in New South Wales goes to landfill. This costs businesses over $750 million in waste levies each year. In order to transition to a circular, zero waste, zero carbon economy and to leverage the economic opportunities that brings, we have a lot of change to implement. We cannot do it without research, without science, without innovation, and without collaboration. We need new technologies to overcome the many challenges a transition to a circular economy presents us. This brings us to the importance of research and development, colloquially known as R&D. Through initiatives like the Accelerating R&D and New South Wales Action Plan, the New South Wales Government is demonstrating its commitment and leadership to cutting-edge R&D, future industries, skills, and high-value jobs in New South Wales. By bringing together our best research minds with our most agile industries in government, we can ensure the translation of our best ideas into outcomes that benefit people, environment, and the economy of New South Wales. The government's already announced a significant spending on initiatives such as the New South Wales Hydrogen Strategy to make our state a global renewable energy superpower and an RNA pilot production facility. I'm very excited to see the lineup of expert speakers over the next 2 days, researchers, industry, and all levels of government sharing their insights and experience on how we can make the transition to a circular economy and the transition to circular systems. This includes researchers and businesses who participated in New South Wales Circular's recent rapid research reviews. Collaboration is inherent in the shift to a circular economy. It's central to enabling the system-level problem solving required to disrupt business as usual approaches, both within and between research and industry sectors. The New South Wales Circular Task Forces are thematic national networks of experts and organisations working to transition New South Wales and Australia to a circular economy. The rapid reviews address critical circular economy challenges identified by 4 of the network's task forces in the areas of finance and investment, precincts and infrastructure, policy, and industry. I'm pleased today to be able to announce 2 of the research recipients under the New South Wales Circular Challenge funding scheme. This funding is supporting exciting ways for businesses and people to participate in the new zero carbon, zero waste circular economy, ensuring New South Wales stays at the forefront of this innovation and research. The Circular Challenge Fund is designed to support collaborative projects that develop a sustainable, scalable model to deliver critical supply chains. Supply chains are central to how goods and services are produced and consumed and must be carefully considered when seeking to develop sustainable businesses. Each Circular Challenge recipient will receive $200,000 with matching funding from industry partners. I look forward to be able to announce a 3rd recipient in the near future. So the first Circular Challenge recipient is the University of Technology Sydney and the University of New South Wales Sydney, together with industry partners Multigate Medical Products, 180 Waste Group, Allman's Plastic Group, All Molds I think that is, sorry, Plastics Group, and Southwestern Sydney Local Area Health District. The project is called Alleviating Circularity, Development of a Sustainable and Scalable Model to Recycle and Reduce the Cost of Propylene Waste in Hospitals. This project solves a major challenge. Hospitals generate 52,400 tonnes of waste annually. We all know this waste continues to grow due to COVID, putting pressure on handling, storage, transport, and end-of-life solutions. This product will use Australia's first state-of-the-art technology to convert non-woven hospital waste, such as disposable surgical gowns, drapes, tray wraps, face masks, and cubicle curtains, into plastic briquettes to be used for recycling into a wide range of products. The second recipient is Western Sydney University and Macquarie University with industry partners Global Renewals, Austral Brick Company and Parramatta City Council. The project is repurposing recovered organic materials as alternative raw materials for brick production. In this project, composted municipal organic waste is repurposed into bricks, reducing both waste sent to landfill and associated greenhouse gas emissions. The project reduces fuel used in brick production and produces a durable, economically viable and environmentally friendly brick product. And when I read about this project, I was reminded that one of my uncles in the Netherlands actually developed a much more efficient manufacture of bricks many years ago and post-war to try and rebuild Holland after the war. So it's great to see, you know, fundamental things like literally the bricks that go into our homes now being the product of this circular economy. I congratulate these winning researchers and industry organisations who join us today and look forward to following the crucial real-world products their projects promise to deliver. The state government is really proud to support important, impactful work like this. I commend the work of New South Wales Circular in helping our state to transition to more sustainable, productive and resilient future. And I hope this forum is informative and productive for everyone attending over the next 2 days. Thank you very much. Back to you, Lisa.
Thank you, Minister Henskens, for supporting New South Wales Circular and announcing our challenge funding projects. Congratulations to our New South Wales researchers and business partners. Well done. These new projects do emphasise the critical role research is and will continue to play, as the Minister said, in removing barriers to a circular economy, solving those problems, developing new products like your uncle's, Minister, and services and systems to design out waste. In this case, hospital plastics and organic waste. We thank you again, Minister Henskens, and look forward to hearing more about the circular economy in research and innovation.